genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy. He went to school with us.
He's the one planning to open a here in Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh, man. There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What? You didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on food.
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces, declaring myself god of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly's past, and glory, Ellum, Tobal, Kelly's more reform, Pilgrim, Cab, Bingham, Kelly's splash.
No! That's
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who volunteered?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.